In this lesson, I'm showing you how to make food eating ASMR videos with your AI avatar. I'm assuming you've already generated your avatar and your character sheet from lesson 1. If you haven't, go watch lesson 1 first. If you have, here are the next steps. Head over to TikTok and find a video you want to use as inspiration. For example, say you want to make a video where the person is in a car holding a food product. Go to the very beginning, the first 1 second, and take a screenshot. You can do this from Instagram or TikTok, wherever you get your initial image. Then open the custom GPT I've linked below, which is the JSON builder. Click plus, add photos and files, go to recent, and select the image you just downloaded. Now say, break this down into a JSON prompt. Don't mention icons or text. You say that because you don't want the AI to rebuild the icons. If I click into the picture, it's got a TikTok search bar and an icon in the middle, and you don't want those. So make sure to tell the GPT that, and it starts building the JSON code. While it builds, open Flow at labs.google. Sign in, click New Project. If you're building short form content, it's 9 by 16. If you're building long form like YouTube, it's 16 by 9. So select image 9 by 16 x4 for 4 outputs and Nano Banana 2. That's your prompt box ready. Now go back and grab the JSON code once it's done, copy it, and come over to Flow. Add the images of your AI avatar and your avatar with the character sheet. Paste in the JSON code, select all the images, and drag them down into the prompt box as ingredients. The only thing you add is right at the bottom, replace the character in the prompt above with the character attached. You add this because the GPT broke down the original woman from the inspiration video, and we don't want her, we want our avatar. Hit enter and it generates scene 1, your opening scene. It gives you 4 options. Go through them and pick the one you like. Do you want your avatar to have a bun or straight hair? Do you want the food on the table? Whatever you prefer, download that image. Now go back to ChatGPT, the JSON one, click add files, and upload the image of your avatar. Say, now give me an image to video prompt and explain what's happening. So showing the burrito to the camera and then taking a bite. Then add your limitations. No camera movement because we don't want the camera moving. No camera zoom. ASMR sounds, no talking. Hit enter. The AI analyzes the image and gives you the prompt. Copy all of that and come over to your image to video model. This can be Flow, Kling, Grok, Meta AI, whatever you have access to. I'm using Grok. Click plus, upload photo, select your scene, 1 image, paste in the prompt ChatGPT made, and hit generate. It turns your image into a video. Now you have 2 options to keep the video going. 1, make another image of your avatar holding a different food product. Or 2, go to the end of the video, the last 1 second, and take a screenshot of that scene. Upload that screenshot to ChatGPT and say, now show her taking another bite with the same limitations as above, no talking, ASMR style. Since you're working in the same genre, the AI knows what you mean. It builds the prompt, you copy it, paste it into Grok, and it builds the second scene. Now it's extended forward, so she shows the food, then takes another bite. That's your first 2 scenes, about 20 seconds. Now go back to Flow. Look at the image you selected earlier. She's got other items there too, the burrito, the tacos, and the chicken tender. Drag that image down and say, show her holding the chicken tender up to the camera. We're done with the burrito, so now we do the chicken tender. Once that scene is generated, we turn it into video. Then we do the tacos, generate those images, and turn them into video too. So I'll quickly build the rest. In this prompt, I just said, show her holding the chicken tender up to the camera, which gave me 4 images. Then I said, show her holding up the taco to the camera. Then in another prompt, I said, she pours one of the sauces from below onto the chicken tender. So we've built all these scenes out with 4 total scenes. Download the ones you want. Download the sauce pour image and the taco image. Now you've got all 3. Go back to ChatGPT, click plus, add photos and files, go to recent, and select all 3 images. I'll remove the burrito one since we already built that. Then say, give me image to video prompts for all of these with the same limitations. It analyzes them all and gives you a prompt for each one. A fried chicken strip presentation plus a bite, the taco presentation plus a bite, and the chicken strip with sauce. Take the first one, the fried chicken strip, copy it, go back to Grok, find the chicken strip image, paste and enter. Do the same for the taco scene and the sauce scene. Grab each prompt from ChatGPT, paste into Grok, and generate. Now back on the main page, you can see the first one's animated. One more thing, if you want to extend a video forward, Grok has an extend feature at the bottom. Depending on which image to video model you use, they might have this option. So let's test it. Say we want to extend the taco scene. Click extend and say something simple like, she shows the taco to the camera again and then takes another bite. You can build it from 10 seconds to 20 to 30, just stacking on top of each other. Once everything's generated, download all your scenes. Download scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, scene 4. As I said, you can do 5 scenes, 10 scenes, 20 scenes, totally up to you. Now open CapCut, which is the free video editor I use. Click Create Project, Media, Import, go to Recent, and select all your Grok videos. They load on the left. Put them back to back, scene by scene. Scene 1 with the burrito, then the one that carries on, then the tender scene, then the sauce scene. Watch the whole thing and make edits as needed. It's pretty good, but here's what I'd change. Instead of it being this slow, I'd add a cut every 2 to 3 seconds. So play it from the beginning. She shows it to the camera. Stop there. Click the video. Use the snip tool to split it into 2 files. Come forward to where she takes a bite, then use the option that deletes everything on the left. So she shows it, then takes a bite, cut again, move to where she shows it to the camera, delete the dead space behind it, work in 3-second chunks because you don't want anything longer than that. Keep going through each scene this way. When she pours the sauce, keep the pour, cut the rest. When she shows the taco, split, jump to the bite, keep that, then she shows it again. Keep that. And there you go. Instead of a half minute, now it's few seconds, but it's way more engaging because there's a change every few seconds. A bite, showing the food, a bite, showing the food. If you want it longer, just make more scenes. Maybe have her pour sauce into the taco or show the chips and pour sauce on those, build it out more and more. But keep a change every 3 to 5 seconds because if you let it play out the whole time, it's just too slow for viewers. And that's the process for making your AI avatar in these ASMR food eating videos.